Okay, so today we're going to do another example, so same setup. So we're going to use the midpoint formula, and this time part B is we want to find the coordinates of the other endpoint Q of a line segment where we have the other endpoint, we have one endpoint and they give us the midpoint. So now we have the midpoint, we have one of the endpoints, and we want to find the other endpoint. And so again, this is going to be another one where we can use the midpoint formula. Okay, so we know for the midpoint formula for x, we know the x is going to be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, right? Well, in this case, we know x is equal to 8. And we know one of the other x's, x1 or x2. So let's say this is x1, okay? So we can plug in for x1. So we can say 8 is equal to negative 6 plus x2 divided by 2. So x2 represents the point I'm looking for. Okay, so we're looking for Q. So now what we can do is now we can solve this. So how do we solve this? Well, just solve for x, right? So we're going to multiply both sides by 2. And so if we multiply both sides by 2, we get 16 equals negative 6 plus x2. And then we get x2 equals, so we're going to add 6 to both sides, and we get x2 equals 22. Okay, and so we got one coordinate. Now all we have to do is get the y coordinate. So now we're going to do the same thing, but with y. So y equals y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And this time we know the midpoint. So y is equal to negative 2. Okay. y1 is equal to 12 plus y2 divided by 2. And again, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2. And we get negative 4 equals 12 plus y2. And if we subtract 12 from both sides, we get negative 16. So we get negative 16 equals y2, or y2 is equal to negative 16. And we're done, because now we just found that Q is equal to 22 comma negative 16. And that's the other endpoint. And that's it. Have a good day.